So this says, my girlfriend is a gamer type of girl. She has a guy crew she's been knowing and talking with for 3 years now, but only from the internet. We got into a fight, and she decided to go visit them in Portugal instead of coming to see me in Morocco. We have a long-distance relationship. Should I accept it, or should I dump her and move on? The problem with guys that have problems and are already in relationships or more or less romantically involved with someone is they have a filthy container that's full of holes and cracks, but they're trying to receive guidance expecting to retain water in that cracked, filthy container that's full of holes. It can't work. More often than not, you're gonna have to start over and get a brand new container. So depending on what stage of the relationship you're at, it shouldn't matter what she does outside of seeing you. She should know how to appropriately conduct herself anywhere, as long as she's dealing with you. From the beginning, there should be nothing left to chance with any woman you're taking seriously. She should know your boundaries, what you will and will not accept, how she should behave around you, and what she should be doing for you, because these are conversations you should have been had. She doesn't know what your boundaries are. You allow her to disrespect you, and because you don't even know your boundaries or even have a unique independent default, you won't even recognize when she's disrespecting you, or even worse, you do recognize it, but you do absolutely nothing about it. And then she's gonna know what she can get away with when she's dealing with you, and it will continue to get worse the longer you try to hold on to what you don't even have. If you know how to lead the right way, she'll either fall into place or move out of the way. If she respects you, if she knows that she's dealing with a real man, she will tailor her own behavior in and out of your presence. In order for a woman to respect you, you need to respect yourself first, and you must have the utmost respect for yourself. Should I accept it, or should I dump her and move on? Accept what? Second choice? If you have the utmost respect for yourself, it wouldn't even be a question.